Stop. If your Xfinity cable box is stuck on the welcome screen, do not replace the box yet. This problem is common and fixable. Follow these steps exactly like a technician. First, quick 10-second hook. Xfinity box frozen on welcome screen. Black screen. No channels. I will fix this in minutes. Now start with step 1. Power reset. Turn off the TV. Unplug the Xfinity cable box power cord from the wall. Also unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the box. Wait at least 3 full minutes. This clears temporary memory errors. Now plug the power cable back in. Do not connect HDMI yet. Wait until the box fully boots. You should see lights blinking or the clock moving. Now reconnect the HDMI cable. Turn on the TV and check. If still stuck, go to step 2. Check the coax cable. The coax cable is the round cable screwed into the back of the box. Unscrew it completely. Check for bent pins or loose fitting. Screw it back tightly by hand. No tools needed. A weak signal can cause the welcome screen loop. Step 3. Change HDMI port. Move the HDMI cable to a different HDMI port on your TV. Then use the TV remote. Select the new HDMI input manually. Sometimes the handshake fails and freezes the box. Step 4. Network refresh. Xfinity boxes need internet to activate. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both for 2 minutes. Plug the modem first. Wait until all lights are stable. Then plug the router. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable on 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Step 5. Factory refresh signal. Using your phone. Open the Xfinity app. Select your cable box. Choose Restart Device. This sends a fresh authorization signal. Final step. If the welcome screen stays longer than 30 minutes after all steps, the box firmware is corrupted. This requires a free box replacement from Xfinity. This is Tech Vibes. Like, subscribe, and save this fix.